Good morning, children.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. As we discussed in our last class, heterotrophic nutrition we can see in animals and some plants. Actually, plants generally they do photosynthesis process. In those process, plants acquire their food by the photosynthesis process. But some plants also exist there. They depend on other plants for their food. Those kind of plants comes under heterotrophic nutrition or heterotrophs. As like animals. Animals కూడా ఏం చేస్తే ప్లాంట్స్ పైన డిపెండ్ అయితే వాటి యొక్క ఫుడ్ కోసం. అదే విధంగా మనకు ప్లాంట్స్ లో కూడా కొన్ని ప్లాంట్స్ దే కాంట్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ దేర్ ఫుడ్ సెల్ఫ్లీ. సో ఫర్ దేర్ ఫుడ్ దే డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ అదర్ ప్లాంట్స్ లైక్ హోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్. సో అవి ఏం చేస్తే హోస్ట్ ప్లాంట్స్ పైన డిపెండ్ అయ్యి వాటి యొక్క ఫుడ్ని అనేది గెయిన్ చేసుకుంటాయి. సో ఫర్ heterotrophic plants, Cuscuta or Dadar plant is the very good example. So Dadar plant belongs to Cuscuta genus. Dadar plant belongs to Cuscuta genus. So in Cuscuta genus there are more than 100 plus species are there. Okay na? So Cuscuta reflexia is one of them. It has very little amount of chlorophyll. Even though it has chlorophyll, it depends on other plants. Even though it has chlorophyll, it depends on other plants. So in if we observe Dadar plant, it doesn't have any leaves. You can see it doesn't have any leaves. Okay, and its leaves became scales like structures in Dadar plant. Its leaves became scales like structures. Okay, and it has some cluster or nodule like flowers. It has cluster or nodule like flowers. These flowers look like bell shaped. Okay, these flowers looks like bell shaped, and it produces hastoria like structures, root like structures. It produces some root like structures they call as hastorias. Okay, hastoria. It produces hastoria. With the help of hastoria, it obtains or it gains food from the host plant. It penetrates the host plant stem. It penetrates the host plant stem with the help of hastoria. These hastorias reaches to the vascular tissue of the host plant. These hastorias reaches to the vascular tissue of the host plant. In vascular tissue, what will be there? Xylem and phloem. Okay. From the xylem, it absorbs the water, and it absorbs the nutrients from the phloem of the host plant. So it is completely depending on the other plants for its surviving. That's why we are calling this as heterotrophic plant. Dadar plant is a heterotrophic plant. Okay, is it clear?